We recommend everyone to know Black Friday 2020 about GVM RGB LED video light kit with C-clamp stand, 2 packs video lighting with app control, photography lighting for YouTube game video. 3200K to 5600K, CRI 97+, 0 to 360 adjustable colors, 8 applicable scenes. When is Black Friday 2020 is an annual event just for well known that it is shopping time on. And this year Amazon have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2020. Happy everyone on Black Friday 2020. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of GVM RGB LED video light kit with C-clamp stand, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Overview summary. The video light kit can be adjust 0 to 360 RGB color according different shooting requirement. Color range 3200K to 5600K, which can show the true and natural color for YouTube studio photography video shooting. The video light with RGB mode and 8 kinds of simulate the scene modes. Not only can it have wonderful environment effects in game live, but also have a special effects in ordinary live. By app control or manually control, in same channel, you can set any light as the master mode and the other light as slave mode, then you can control all lights by adjust the master light. 2x RGB video lights, with U bracket and barn doors, 2x light diffusers, 2x power adapter, 2x power cable, 2x carrying case and 2x adjustable C-clamp stand, fit for desk thickness in 0.8 to 4 inch. Photography lighting can use power cord powered or battery powered for shooting. Compatible battery, 2 PCS of Sony f970 750 battery. Not included. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.